Rocks, the enemy of roller skaters everywhere. This episode is going to be about how to not die when you trip on a rock. Now that's dramatic. Let me do it one more time. Rocks, the enemy of roller skaters everywhere. This episode is all about how to skate over rocks. I remember when I first started skating, I'd be cruising outside, going around the neighborhood, and then sometimes you'd hit like a rock or a crack and just smack right on the ground. It's not a good feeling. It's not fun. If you're not wearing knee pads, you get bloody knees. Sometimes I'll like belly flop. I used to get little scars on my belly button from slamming so hard in the streets and doing like penguin slides that I'd get like road rash on my belly button. So I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know to not have to suffer through that. And wheels definitely help a lot. If you have big, soft, gummy wheels, it's definitely gonna be easier to go over bumps and rocks and cracks. But no matter what, sometimes there's gonna be a rock too big, and it'll even stop the biggest of gummy wheels. So honestly, it's not even about the wheel as much as it is learning how to use your feet over these surfaces. Today, I'm using the Energy 57 millimeter wheel with a hardness of I have no idea. They're soft though. They're gummy, but they're not the gummiest. They're more of a hybrid wheel. But you could also get even gummier wheels. You could get something like a 78A is about the gummiest I would go. But the reason I like these is because they're small and they are narrow, which gives me more agility, but they're still soft, which absorbs some of those rough surfaces. So yeah, wheels definitely make a difference, but it's not the only thing. Like honestly, I could put on really, really hard wheels like 101As and still skate over rough surfaces. It's not as much fun because it's like a brrrr, but it's still possible. Anyways, okay, let me get my skates on and I'm gonna show you all the good stuff. Okay, I figured this would be a great time to pop in and tell you that I have some very exciting news. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. With topics like film and video, music, lifestyle, and productivity, there's something for everyone. My personal favorite has been Yasmin Cayenne's class called Writing for Self-Discovery, 6 journaling prompts for gratitude and growth. I've always wanted to journal, but I never really knew where to start. And with her prompts, I'm learning how to write in a way that helps me cultivate progress in my personal life and in my roller skating journey. It's curated specifically for learning, meaning that there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes. So you can stay focused and follow your creativity wherever it takes you. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare Premium. It's a limited time offer though, and it's only available through September. So be sure to click that link to get the offer before it's gone. All right, back to the video. All right, so we got our skates on. We're over here at the biggest minefield on this piece of concrete. I call it a minefield because there's little bombs everywhere and they could take you out. So first I'm gonna demo just skating through this patch here to show you that it is possible. But I definitely recommend wearing knee pads if you're going to be skating on rough surfaces, because no matter how good you get, sometimes it'll still take you out. I follow you guys, it's true. Anyways, let's do this. Get him off the ground. All right, ready? I've got that here I go. Feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. I'm scared. Oh God, okay, there we go. My personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. Okay. Oh God, okay. We made it. I'm gonna stop skating now. All right, so there's a couple techniques that you can use to get through crazy patches of stuff like this. I'm gonna break it down for you. Let's do it. If I'm coming up, let's say I'm skating through the streets and I can see that there's an entire patch of really bad concrete in front of me, I'm actually gonna run through it. If my wheels hit rocks and they're not able to roll, but I still have forward momentum, then I'm gonna start falling forward. So you just gotta run through it. Like, look, let's practice in the grass. And when you see it, when I'm running, it's the same thing. I'm keeping my weight on one foot so that if something hits, I can catch myself with my other foot. Drop, drop. Oh, bad patch, just run through, run through, run through. Oh. So that's how, whenever I'm skating in the city, skating outside, that's how I get through those really, really bad minefields. I see it's coming, I'm not gonna stop, I just know I'm gonna keep running through it. Fast feet, street feet. So my biggest tip is don't keep your feet side by side. For example, this big crack right here. My feet are side by side, I'm going down. You want to make sure that your weight is centered over one foot at all times. I recommend the stagger. This is what I call the stagger, and it's one foot in front of the other. What that means is that right now, the weight is mostly on my back foot. So when I'm rolling over, my front foot doesn't have much weight on it. So if my back foot catches a rock, I can catch myself. I call that one the rocking horse. I can just rocking horse right over the crack. Let's do that one more time. I see the crack, doop, doop, doop. Rocking horse right over that. So if you want to practice without the rocks first, get on a smooth surface, put one foot in front of the other, and practice switching your weight from front to back, like you're riding a rocking horse. And then, if you really want to get extra with it, switch your feet. Practice both ways. In my last episode, I said ambidextrous, and somebody commented and said it's ambidextrous, not ambidextrous, and I realized I've been saying it wrong my entire life. I think those are pretty much my best tips. Practice that rocking horse, get used to sitting in that deep lunge, that deep stagger, and then of course, always keep those knees bent and mushy. You want to keep that mushy, drop your tushy, always have the softness. If you see something bad and you go like this, oh my God, and stand up, no good. That's how you're gonna get taken out the fastest. So if I see something, what I like to say is, whoa, whoa, drop it low. So if I'm ever approaching something and I'm like, whoa, 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 my reaction should be to drop it low. So whoa, whoa, drop it low, and run. So I'm gonna show you how I get through this patch. Ready? So I learned the hard way that you never really want to get fully relaxed when you're skating outside, or else before you know it, you're not gonna be looking, something's gonna take you out. So my resting stance when I'm street skating is like this. I have all my weight right here. This foot's kind of steering around like a little rudder. So I'll show you in the smooth how I skate. Let's go over here. This is my chill position. So you can see my weight's right here. My front foot's kind of cruising around. Sometimes I'll switch. And then if you suddenly hit rocks, let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So sometimes it's not even actually like fully running, it's just those fast feet. You just keep your feet right under you. Try not to ever step too far out, because anytime you throw your center off, you are more likely to lose your balance. So keep it tight, keep your legs under you. And in addition to the rocking horse, you can practice fast feet like this. And as you can see, I keep staying low. There you go. And that is how you skate over rocks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you understand how to skate outside and be safe. And I think that's it for now. So until next time, later skaters. Right to black.